Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the nmap command that's generally used for security auditing, but it can provide a lot of information on your local network as well. So to start, I'm just going to do a very simple example of just looking at my local host. You could put an IP address in this place as well, or instead, and it comes right back and shows me what ports are open and what services are associated with those ports. Now, if I want to get more complicated, which I do, I'm going to use sudo, so I'll get more information this way, and use the nmap command, sn, and then I'm going to provide my network address. So this is everything on my local network. Hit return. It takes a few seconds this time to come back and give me all the information. But there it is. So once it comes back, we have a lot of information here. So just to start, we can see that we get a report for this particular IP. And here is the MAC address for this device. And here is a description of the device. So this is probably a network extender. The next device is this one, which we can see has this MAC address and this description, which shows that it is a cell phone. The system nmap knows how to figure this out because it looks at the first part of a MAC address. Down here we see a device described as a Hewlett-Packard. That's one of my printers. So we have this information. We can see all of the systems, devices, network gear, and everything else that's connecting to the local network. Well, that's your Linux tip for nmap. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.